What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video is the most favorite video on this channel. I was scrolling through Pinterest. Today I didn't pass Instagram. Today I went to Pinterest. So scrolling, I saw this makeup and I'm like, oh, it's very charming. Like, it's nice. Like, I just want to try it out. Don't laugh at me, okay? Laugh at me because the product they use, I'm not using the same products. I'm a broke girl living in Ghana and I just want to try things out. So today it's a girl Mayglow, and Mayglow is about to glow, okay? So let's glow together. Don't forget to subscribe, it's free, okay? Subscribe and join the big family. I have other videos relating to this one, so you can go ahead and check that one too out. Thank you. So let's get right into the video.
moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
Most of you saying it's not nice, it's not nice, it's not nice. No, go and do yours and make it nice. Go and do yours. Let me pause. Comment down below what do you think about this makeup. Rate me from 0 to 10 and let me see if you think, in case I did well or I think I tried. What do you guys think? I think I've tried. Like, look at me. Look at me, guys. Look at me. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. It's free, okay? I just want you guys to rate me from 0 to 10, okay? We have Instagram series on this channel and we have Pinterest series on this channel. So go ahead and check my videos out. Very interesting videos, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.